OHSAS 18000, now it's ISO 45001, ISO 14000 and NDMA. Now OHSAS, it stands for Occupational Health and Safety Assessment Series. It is a framework for managing workplace health and safety risks, providing a systematic approach to reduce accidents and improve employee well-being. It has largely been replaced by international standard ISO 45001. It helps organizations control OHS risks, comply with laws, and boost performance through processes like hazard identification and risk assessment. What are the key aspects of OHSAS 18001? The purpose is to help companies to protect employees, reduce workplace risk, and meet legal requirements. The methodology, it follows a plan, do, check, act cycle for continuous improvement in health and safety. Components of this framework, it covers hazard identification, risk assessment, legal compliance, training, operational control, and emergency preparedness. Now there is a transition to international standard, that is ISO 45001. The OHSAS 18001 standard was superseded by ISO 45001 in 2018, with the organizations encouraged to migrate to the new standard for valid certification. The OHSAS 18000 or ISO 45001 and ISO 14000 are management systems standards. The OHSAS focuses on occupational health and safety, worker well-being, hazard control, while ISO 14000 focuses on environmental management, that is pollution, legal compliance, sustainability. Both use a plan, do, check, act, that is PDCA cycle for continuous improvement, emphasizing risk management, legal compliance, and setting objectives, but for different domains, that is workplace versus environment. And they can be integrated for holistic business management. The OHSAS stands for, as I said before, Occupational Health and Safety Assessment Series. It focuses on protecting the employees from workplace risk, controlling hazards, preventing injuries, and promoting health. The key elements are the OH&S policy, risk assessment, hazard control, training, emergency preparedness, and performance monitoring. The goal is for safer workplace, fewer incidents, healthier employees, improved legal compliance for safety. It is replaced by ISO 45001. Now ISO 14000, it is environmental management. It focuses on minimizing negative environmental impacts, managing resources, reduces pollution, and achieving sustainability. The key elements are environmental aspects, impacts, legal compliance, environmental programs, resource use, and emergency response. The goal is environmental responsibility, regulatory compliance, reduced environmental footprint, and cost savings. What are the similarities and integration? It's a management system approach. Both use structured systems, that is plan, do, check, act, to manage performance. Legal compliance, both require identifying and adhering to relevant laws. Then risk management, both involve identifying risks, workplace hazards, and environmental impacts, and implementing controls. Integration, often they are implemented together with the ISO 9001 for quality as an integrated management system for efficiency, that is IMS. Next we will see National Disaster Management Act, this DM Act 2005. The National Disaster Management Act 2005, it is India's key law creating a comprehensive framework for managing disasters, establishing bodies like NDMA, that is which is Prime Minister headed, then STMA, that is Chief Minister headed, and DDMA, that is district magistrate headed for proactive prevention, mitigation, and preparedness and response, moving India from reactive to aid to holistic disaster resilience through plans, dedicated funds, and clear roles for all government levels. What are the key features and bodies? The first one is National Disaster Management Authority (NDMA). It is the apex body chaired by the Prime Minister. It sets policies, plans, and guidelines. Next is State Disaster Management Authority, that is SDMA. It is headed by Chief Ministers and implement plan at the state level. Then District Disaster Management Authority, this is DDMA. It is chaired by district magistrates, collectors to manage disaster response at the district level. Then National Disaster Response Force, that is NDRF. It is specialized force for prompt response. Then National Institute of Disaster Management, that is NIDM, for training and research. Then funding, that is it creates national, state, and district funds for response and mitigation. What are the objectives and approach? The holistic management, that is it covers prevention, mitigation, preparedness, response, relief, rehabilitation, and reconstruction. Then proactive stance, it shifts focus from reactive relief to proactive risk reduction. It's having a multi-hazard focus. It addresses natural and man-made disasters. What are the offences and penalties? Section 51 of this framework, it gives penalties for refusing or failing to comply with orders, that is imprisonment up to 1 year. Section 52, it gives penalties for false claims to get relief benefits, imprisonment up to 2 years. Then section 54, the penalties for circulating false alarms, imprisonment up to 1 year. The significance: the Act provides legal backbone for India's integrated disaster management system, ensuring coordinated action, resource allocation, a resilient society through a unified multi-level framework. So it is a proactive system for prevention, mitigation, preparedness, and response.